11. It is manic. It is totally manic today. I can't even begin to explain how much I've still got to do and how much I've done already. It's about 11:30, I think, and I'm going to show you what's going on. And then later today I've got my mum's carol concert, her choir's carol concert, which I've filmed every Vlogmas so far, and I think you guys really enjoy, so I will definitely be taking you there. I'm also working there. I'm working on the door. I'm doing like ticket sales and stuff, so that's quite fun. But yeah, okay, right, I'm going to show you what's going on in our flat. So this is the dumping ground room, because this is the only room that doesn't need work. So it's literally poor Christmas tree. Oh, poor Christmas tree. Yeah, so all of this is just manic and mental and everything, but that's where it all goes. All of the pictures from the wall are here. Stuff bagged up. I mean, it's crazy. And then out here, has anyone seen Dexter? Because we keep thinking it's like a kill room. It's not. It's just covering the books, because obviously it's going to be builders coming and going and dust and everything, and we're just trying to do everything we can to stop that getting to us. I've cleared all the coats at the front, which is strange to see the front door again. All of our bathroom stuff is out here in bags and everything, and the bathroom is totally clear. Listen to that echo. Hello! I can't wait for our bathroom to be done. I am so excited to have a wall that doesn't have a weird... Oh, it's just so embarrassing, this bathroom. I just can't wait for it to be done. So yeah, so that, and then my next job is the kitchen. So I literally have to move all of this to that side, because this side's having work, but that side isn't. So yeah, I need to do that. As you can hear, I'm still coldy. And in the bedroom, I have covered as much as I possibly can, so that's my like shelving, I guess. These are our clothes under here, and everything else in the whole flat is on the bed, and I will cover that at the end. That clothes rail's gone. I'm just packing for staying at my folks for like a week while this is happening, so that's me packing. But yeah, this is so surreal. It's really strange. And I've still got loads to do. So I better crack on with the kitchen. That is next. Okay, all done. Oh. Okay, right, so I've done the kitchen, I've done the bathroom. I just needed to tape down these, and then I'm off to Mum and Dad's.
Under the general shape of the ground, everybody was set to do something or to fetch something. and in a very few minutes supper was ready. And Mo, as he took the head of the table in a sort of a dream, saw a lately barren board set thick with savoury comforts, saw his little friends' faces brighten and beam, and they fell to without delay.
you. Yeah, that's really cool. And I love the spot twinkly lights, they're so pretty. Well done, Bobby! Okay, so new tradition is that we have Stephen's advent calendar tonight because I forgot the doggy one. So day 11, Stephen.
11. There we go. Because you're tired, I'll keep it easy. So just look up and then you'll see me. Oh, that's really good.
It's a good one, isn't it?
It's very good.
It's a little hops to hang on our tree.
Like, actually.
I know, that's what I thought. Show the camera. Oh yes, it's a cutie pie.
Thank you for keeping it easy because I am very tired.
I know, sweetheart, we both are.
Shall I whistle him up and we
Yeah.
can compare contrast?
Come on, Hobbles. If the door isn't open, he'll just be there going, oh, I can't come
we'll
up.
have to see him in a minute.
Okay, well,
Thank you, my darling.
oh, thank you, sweetheart. Okay, guys, yeah, absolutely exhausted. I'm so sorry I forgot the doggy advent calendar, and we're here. Oh, Hobbles, you come say goodnight to everyone. Okay, so we're going to have a goodnight from Hobbs. Hobbs, say goodnight. Hobbs, say goodnight. Say goodnight. He doesn't know. Okay. Oh, he said, is he getting a treat? Yes, I am absolutely exhausted, so I will see you tomorrow. Lots of love. Bye.